Hello friends, in this video I want to make an overview of the new very useful GeoPages add-on. This add-on is included in our package of SEO add-ons and accordingly solves one search engine optimization task. Very often you need to promote the store page for a well-known city in a country or a region. For example, buy iPhone 14 in Washington, buy iPhone 14 in Boston. By default, store owners use a single category page or SEO filter page, adding all possible cities to its meta tags. However, the effectiveness of this approach is rather low. Any competitor that promotes a single physical page for a specific city will rank higher in search results than the one page promoted for all cities. Our add-on, in turn, creates and manages all the necessary SEO attributes for pages of the following type. That is, it is possible to create an SEO page for a separate location for each separate category. And here I want to draw your attention to the fact that it is exactly the location, meaning it can be a city, country, district, area, region, and so on. Also, an important point is that the add-on does not use site subdomains to promote cities. Promotion of city subdomains requires a large budget, since each subdomain is a separate site for a search engine. Accordingly, your SEO costs with this approach will grow in a proportion of the number of cities that you wish to promote in the search. In our case, the mechanics of the add-on allows you to get the result while saving as much as possible. Let's now see how the add-on works. We will make a page for the buy laptops in Boston request, step by step. For this task, we will need create a Boston location, create a template for category pages, set this template as the default for all pages, or set it specifically for the category page, in our case, laptops. And at the end, add a special GeoPages block to the category layout page. This page is provided for creating and setting up location for categories and homepage. For each location, we can also set 7 different forms with name. These forms can be used as a placeholder when creating a template. When specifying an SEO value, please know that the main SEO name will be the one that is specified in the default language. We also have a setting that allows you to choose one of 2 modes for creating links with categories and SEO pages. It can be that the link is created automatically for each category, or we can manually select which categories this location will apply for. Let's choose manually, for example. Now let's move on to creating a template. On this page, we can create and customize templates for category pages and the homepage. All fields on the page are multilingual, which will allow you to set up SEO data for all languages at once or separately. Here you can define the title, description, meta description, etc. The add-on supplies 4 placeholders of its own, and thanks to the integration with the extended meta tags and placeholders add-on, we can use many other that it adds to the category page. Let's fill in all these fields using our placeholders. On the laptops category page, we activate the functionality from the add-on since we selected the manual method at the previous step and select the template we need. Here you can also exclude the page from indexing and change the canonical link if you have our indexing management and advanced sitemap add-ons. At this stage, the add-on is already working. We can see how it looks through the preview functionality. To display a list of all available locations on the storefront, you need to add the GeoPages block to the category layout page. Using block templates, you can arrange the list of location horizontally separated by commas or in a column. And using block wrappers, you can customize the most appropriate appearance of the block. Here we see Kyiv, as the add-on adds a language variable that uses the name, by clicking on which the pages will not have a location, and accordingly an SEO name in the page link. In our case, by clicking on Kyiv, we get to the page without any locations. It's like a default page. The functionality of the add-on allows you to change the language variable for pages without geolocation. This way, we can promote store pages in a specific location, which will surely expand the semantics and number of pages with geographic data and thus increase organic traffic. According to the preliminary calculations, the potential for increasing search traffic can be up to 30%. Also, this add-on is integrated with our SEO Pages for Filters add-on, which allows you to create different location pages for your already created SEO filter pages. In the administrative panel on each such page, there is a Geo Pages tab, where, just like for categories, you can enable different geo pages and select the required template. The last thing that I would also like to highlight is the ability of the add-on to change the title of the homepage for geo pages. To display a dynamic title on the storefront, depending on the selected location, a special Smarty modifier has been developed. To work with this modifier, you need to use the Smarty enabled HTML block and add the modifier to the Content tab. This will work the following way. On the home page, without a selected location, the text will be displayed as in the double brackets, in this case, Best Online Store. On the location page, the value of the name template field will be used. For example, Best Online Store in Boston, in our case. That's it, guys, for this video. Subscribe to our channel and all the social medias to be notified about all the updates and new releases from Alex Brandon team.